everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I have been caught by the Instagram, I don't know what to call it, where you see something and then you gotta make it. So I am going to be making something that I saw on Instagram that I thought was pretty darn cool. So it's just an easy way to make a notebook. Now I have this really cute passport size notebook, but it's way too fat. I'll show it to you. And so I was kind of bummed that I couldn't use it, but I don't know, next time they go on sale, I might buy another one because I think they sell these in 200 pages. I think this is like the 400 page. And I think if it was half the size, it would fit. But let me show you what I mean. And that is, I saw this lady on Instagram. Can't remember her name now because I don't even know if I follow her. But basically, she used a passport holder, a pink Coach one, a really cute pink Coach one, to make a little notebook holder. And so I looked at Coach's website, and right now the pink is out of stock, so you could buy one of their Coach ones in like the normal tan and some other colors on their Coach outlet website, and they're $58. The pink one, which was adorable, that's what she showed, this technique, which I'm going to show you guys. I see it for anywhere of over $150 on eBay and on Poshmark. It's crazy. So I was kind of bummed. I was really almost bought the $58 one on outlet. But then I remembered that I had a Kate Spade one that I had bought for when I went to Europe last year. And I had this one as well. So I had two. So I thought, well, let's make a notebook. Let's do it. So you can see like this fits, but it's too fat, sticks out. It's the right size, but not the right size. So I did purchase some little passport size notebooks. These are 3x5 as passport size. And then I got the passport size rubber bands. You can make do with other things. Somewhere I have a roll of stretchy elastic, and I have no idea where it went. It is somewhere in here, out in the boondocks. So I bought this on Amazon, and I think I'm just going to make the one. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to use I guess I'll use black. And so what I'm going to do is, all you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to put it around the middle, okay? And that will give you an elastic in here. And then I'm going to take another one. Now I've got this charm from, it was in my goodie bag, my VIP bag from, whatchamacallit, Scrapbook Expo. So I'm going to use it. It's adorable. And oops. So there's another of the black ones. And what I'm going to do is, let's see how this works out. And I think I'm gonna see if I can make this work. I don't know if it's gonna fit because it feels like it might not fit because I feel like this elastic is too thick, so I'm gonna tie it on with some string or ribbon or twine or something else, I think is what I'm gonna do. So then what you do is you just kind of make a knot. Let's see, here we go. And now you've got this to keep it closed. Okay, that's what that one's for. Okay, so, and it's like all twisty, twiny, so I'm going to go ahead and fix it. Now I'm going to put my notebooks in. This is super crazy easy, and I mean, I don't know if people have passport covers just laying around, but I happen to have one. So if you do, you can make this notebook very easily. And this one costs me not too much money for like what amounts to a designer notebook. Okay, so now I have my notebooks, and these are 3x5 Traveler's Pocket notebooks. Now, I don't know if I can fit more than one in here, but you could just decorate the front cover, which I have not done, but, you know, I have a ton of paper that I could use. So, there you go. Now, let's see if I can fit two. We'll see if it closes with two. But these are just really cute to have in your purse or in your car. And let's see if two will fit. Yeah, two will fit. So, and then you could just decorate them, and you could put like little like washi or stickers in here if you wanted to decorate. And then all you do to keep it closed is do that. And you've got this cute, easy to make notebook. Isn't that crazy? I just saw it was so cute. And I think like this could be more centered, but it's not bothering me too much. And then as far as this goes, I would just need to find some twine, which I have, something that will fit easily, and then I'll just tie it on a knot right here, and it'll be very, very cute. And that's it. So this one I can make as well, and I just think it's such a cute idea. And I'm going to keep all this stuff together because I am going to make this other one probably. But I just love it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you guys like have. Oh, one last thing. Almost forgot. Jeez. I'm like losing my mind over here. Is I bought these little magnetic thingamabobbers. So, I think I'm going to do this green, I guess. This is a magnetic pen holder. So that you could put a pen. And I'm going to do it right here. Let's go like that, and a pen. And let's see, this pen's kind of fat. You can kind of decide where you want to put it, you know, depending on the size of your pen. I think maybe you know. Anyway, give you an idea. You can move your pen down, but then you have a place to put your pen. So, whoops, isn't that cute? Really cute idea. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crayon with Art.